Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy. If you are new here, welcome. So today we will be making this happy birthday banner for my son first birthday. So if you want to see that, stick around. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just cutting the papers that I want to use to the size of my mat, of my cutting mat. So I'll be using my Cricut machine to cut the circles and also the letters. So I'm just making sure that they are at the right size right here, and then I'm just gonna cut. So this is the size that I'll be using, and these are all the papers that I have. So I just went ahead and put it on my mat, and then we're gonna cut. That's a circle. So we're just gonna cut a few more. Okay, so when I was stringing it, I realized that the one hole is not gonna work, so I had to make another one. right there. So each one has 2 holes. I was better able to let the banner hold. So yeah, I made 2 holes. So if you're making it, be sure to make 2 holes instead of 1, right? And one is smaller because I used the puncher with one, and the smaller one is the puncher The smaller one is the puncher, and the bigger one is the Cricut machine cut. So yeah.